Hey guys, got another unusual tool here for you. This is the GearWrench Gimbal ratchet. And before we get started trashing it, I do want to say that as a finger ratchet, I like it. It has a nice aluminum grip with indentations for your fingers, a 72 tooth ratchet mechanism, but then it starts to get a little weird. It can do this. Why would you need to do that? I don't know. Do you need a gyroscopic finger ratchet? And then it can also do this. Why? Do you want your ratchet to look like a modern art sculpture outside of a hospital lobby? I just don't get it. I don't need a ratchet that swivels around like a Stargate. They say it's a wobble feature for getting into tight spots, but normally, when you put a U-joint or a wobble extension on a socket, you want it down here by the socket. You want the swivel part to be right on the socket. But the top men at GearWrench decided that the swivel part should be up here. I don't see any benefit to being able to swivel up here. This is not going to get you into a tighter spot. I'm having flashbacks to that astro-pneumatic ball gear ratchet we looked at a while back. And if you're not using an extension with this, the swivel stuff is just going to get in the way. I don't see a need for it to swivel there. Look, I've got plenty of flex head ratchets and roto head ratchets. I understand the need to be able to angle the handle to get around obstacles. I mean, that's the whole point of having the swivel there. But on this gimbal ratchet, there's no handle to swing out of the way. The whole thing is the handle, so the swivel action serves no purpose. Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like a prop from a made-for-TV sci-fi movie. Or kind of looks like one of those fidget spinners. Maybe that's what it's for. Maybe it's for mechanics with ADD, so they can fidget with this thing while they're bored. Oh, you know, I kind of like doing this. This is kind of fun. It's relaxing. It's kind of mesmerizing to just spin this around and around. No, I can't. I don't like it. But I kind of do like it. Anyway, if you want one, I'll put Amazon links in the video description. They have these in both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch sizes. Mine's the 3/8. It's actually quite nice if you ignore the spinny part and just use it as a regular finger ratchet. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed for more unusual tool reviews, and check out the channel memberships if you want to support the channel directly. See you later. Bye.